Wait until you see today's home. Over 10,000 square feet, 7 bedrooms, 7 total bathrooms, 9-car garage on over 5 acres with a deluxe sports court. Part French racerie, part Tahitian spa, part game time, part speakeasy. And the best part, $1.5 million in updates. This is not your ordinary mansion. The kitchen is incredible. The office is a game room. And the basement makes a big splash. The floors are heated. The toilets are smart, and the steam shower is futuristic. There's also a garage to stack your cars. The ultimate backyard for recreation and endless possibility. From your paradise at home to Paradise Springs, the home is a perfect complement to the Clifton lifestyle. It's your Michelin star, your 5-star resort, championship shop, and your Academy Award.